So I want to take a second and show you the difference between an entry-level drum kit and a more professional kit. These are both from Hampback drums. This is their more like entry-level kids kit, but it's still great for adults as well, especially if you just want something to practice with. It's very small and compact. You could fold it up very easily. This one's going to take a little bit more of a dedicated space, and you could use this for like a live performance, or if you have a recording studio, or if you just want to practice on a full-size kit. This one has a full-fledged hi-hat with a stand. It has a kick drum pedal, and it has a kick drum pad, and then for the 3 toms and the snare drum and 3 cymbals, which are here. This one has 2 cymbals, a hi-hat, but it's connected to the stand here. So there's no separate stands. You just have these 2 foot pedals. One's a hi-hat and one's a bass. I like the bass kick drum just as a drummer to have that reflex, you know. They're both great kits. I just wanted to show you what a difference between a more entry level and then a more pro version would look like. And this one has a bigger module, and you can have these faders. You also have these outputs here, whereas this one has a smaller module, and then you have a few outputs on the side here. But overall, that's what they look like. Hope this helps.